Atu jojobe isoram pagacho ngam sulu kya besagal domo do bejipa oke ngulge NBCC members am ngo pagacho pagnang done especially ngulge akamata ngam so mod sam na pa modo bejipa pagacho oke nul malang viewers sam so video sam kaj gam gobe pagacho ngulge pinkolo sije ka pa du ngule pandemic ke COVID-19 ngul pinkolo hadu ho hala dori ngulge life lo ngule agu changes am ngule agu kapa do ngulge social religious economic education professional sectors ngule pura changes am ngule kapa do ngule especially Christian aku bere tula ngule sulu ngulge church e matum duku ngule church ang du pari madu ngul Christian ajingarum pinkolo ngule laking gube anging la doing la pratna maying la tugung puyam teing la ngule tedu pari kumado ho hab mo de hari kunye ngulge pinkolo hugubri do na banyelo kam ngule agu confusion ngulge pinkolo hadu ngule busu na me dodu isore ngul pinkolo dok mas mangna makangule dodu ho government hara ngulam bingya geri ngulam prayer center lo grouping be gather malaila ngulam hakum ma be haya geri ho isore ngulge belief e ngule looking gube pratna ngam fasting ngam do bala ngulge life e achapie ale tarine ala ngule monks do confusion ekta government ya ngam suri ma church ya ngam ngulge belief ya ngam ngule seke suteneri mangjang suteneri ngule ham agu confusion ngulge pinkolo hado ho situation hamngo kala ela ngo sulu so ge bible study session so ngo ekta word study aku nulam ngo magetus mangdu so ge word study some I believe that it will help us to understand the nature and work of God more clearly and will help us to discern the divine directives in this situation ngule isore dos manere doma sunere isore dopa nalongul ge pinko so gube kam ri madune ham ngule agumangla dona maka dodu so word study sama balo kam si jaktang jangulam significance some relevance some isorge anyage relevance sam ngulam katam rine pe mangdune honga ge bible study mage se so ge word study mage se si habanyalo kam Hebrew word hesed spelling e HESED hesed some pronounce marini CHESED hesed hala pronounce madu nule makado pare so tacharam lungung so ge tula nule gyokado pare Hesed nulge phone no tachare kape palo ka nule pronunciation ko sahi pakrai soch lo ho hesed si abanyolo kam Hebrew word Hebrew si abanyolo kam Jewish nige Israelite nige language ngulnya sange jese ngulnya sangam nyasang agamam gyodu heb kalam Hebrew si Jewish ni atage language also ge hesed word siabanyologam it's a very difficult word to define na define maduvesi very difficult to in English there is no word which can describe fully the meaning of this word English में ऐसा एक भी word नहीं है हम जो ये word को अच्छा से define कर सके gyoji gyola manama ku dodu moringul nya sanglo kam to ek to word hota hai to nya sanglo do tula English lo translation maji manam word dodu mori heb kala hesed si ekta Hebrew word jiska translation ngule English lo perfect translation am ngule kapa madu habje kam so word si abanyolo kam Bible bosoge Hebrew Bible especially Old Testament bosoge one of the most important words that occur in Hebrew Bible translation maji mala madu habje kam ngule translation Bible translation English translation long ngule sam kapadu KJV sam mercy hala translate madu NKJV kam mercy hala translate madu NIV unfailing love NSB loving kindness NET Bible faithfulness Lexham English Bible steadfast love ESV steadfast love RSV NRSV steadfast love hala sam translate amadu hongulnya sang Bible dar pe bamule kawa nyelo kam sam tumab ab ngul ayange gyoba lo kam sam tumabe abunam haredi Habjekam sihab translation matula jekam some steadfast love, some unfailing love, anyanam, abunam, tumabe abunam hala translation matula jekam. These translation fall short to define the meaning of this word hesed. Some heb translation majekam so ge full meaning am ngule English lo ya fir ngulnya sanglo ngule sam kapa madu. Hebrew lo hi sam ngule anya ja chingba lo kam hi so get true meaning am ngule kapa dune ho gubla advantage ekta ngule Hebrew study Old Testament am original language lo mana me si ekta advantage do du ngule true sense true essence am ngule word gam ngule meaning am kapa du hongo so bingtu ba so ge word si banyo ka translation manyang machunam hal bingtu la so ge word si banyo kam ekta it has a multi-dimensional meaning. Na English so gyoba lokam. It is a cluster of different words. Word aking text pa Hebrew lo habje kam पूरा meaning बहुत सारा meaning इसमें आ जाता है. Some मुले English लो love hala kam मुले gyodu love hatula kam steadfast love e doni ba unfailing love e doni ba kindness love e covenant love e doni ba. Samule goodness salakam gyodu ale nam ale means nam mercy kindness ayanam anyamang panam compassion loyalty faithfulness favor grace or graciousness halakam samule translation amule kapadu English lo okay mule some obligation ekta duty halakam samule translation madu Hesed, Hebrew Hesed siya ba nyo lang kung duty, ngulga ridi ang di senam, rise ang sengam kam samule hadube pare. Okay, so Hesed siya ba nyo lang kam, it is expected particularly of someone who has been shown Hesed already. Hayege pingkolo anya means namam already katam paneho, katam nam ni he sam katam dube lage. Ekta responsibility nishna. Okay, so okay word siya ba nyo lakam pragmatic word. English lo bingame pragmatic word. Pragmatic means si gyota na momo, mangta na momo habmabdi riname. Katam name, rila katam name. Ho truly in right sense ngule agar sam define mabalo kam hesed can be defined as love, kindness, mercy, compassion, faithfulness, goodness, loyalty, graciousness in thought, intention, word, and action as well. Nyasanglo samgyoba nilo kam suge hesed word si Hebrew hesed word si abanilo kam anyanam anyamang panam abyu means nam dinkinam. Okay, tumabe abunam. Mangta namamo habmabdi rila katam nam rinang nam intention rij ang nang nam okay rilaela niyam katam means nam he Hebrew word hesed ngo nulam question aku te nang do so pingko so nyasanglo ngul so word sam huguaing pa hesed sam ngul nyasanglo huguaing pa. Is there any word in Nishi to describe hesed? Or what could be the closest word of hesed in Nishi? Nule comment section no nule gyotam do pare gyodu parilo have map dengam kam nule phone malaila kam gyotam tungo pagya cho paktene. Okay nule lukude kade tujo occurrence in the Bible, occurrence of hesed in the Bible. Nule Bible boso kapa nyilokam Old Testament boso 250 times, nearly 250 times so ge Hebrew word hesed samule kapa do. New Testament bolo I'm not very sure क्योंकि New Testament है Greek लो लीज पामोरी Old Testament से Hebrew language लो लीने हम नोले चिंगतु का and every time it is used it is mostly in reference to the nature or character of God. Hesed samule Bible boso ka parini si most of the time isorge nature am isorge character am gyopa la soge hesed word samule uses am kapado. And it is used to denote an action which people show to one another. Siya ba niya lakam ekta action rinam ang nam. Mulnya ku arumlo katam means namam hesed halang ule Bible baso kapado. firstly ngule katuju hesed as an attribute to God, or hesed as a character or nature to God. Ngule passage Bible pasong ngule agu kapadu isore na age hesede, na age steadfast love, na age anyange, na age abiu na mam ngule Bible so aku kapadu ngo verse akyang ngo bingkira mebje kam nulge familiar verse, familiar use makitag na mam ngo nulam gyotam nang du ngule si Psalms number 63 verse 3 pasong ngule kapadu, thy loving kindness is better than life. Gana kam do mori. So get thy loving kindness is actually in original Hebrew, so loving kindness is hesed. Thy hesed is better than life. Okay, ngul Psalms bulo kam bahut sara passage ngule agu kapa du bulo, for your steadfast love endures forever. Samtunul malang teki padi Psalms ampori rinye, for your love, for your steadfast love endures forever, or for your mercy endures forever. So get steadfast love and mercy siya banyalo kam hesed. For your hesed endures forever. Halbing tula ngule for the first time, the instance where God first revealed hesed as God's nature. Isore mi ke atue ngo hesed am doge bue hanamam ngule Exodus chapter 34 verse 6 to 7 bosongole kapa dongole porika to jo English lo. The Lord passed before him, Moses, and proclaimed, the Lord, a God merciful and gracious, slow to anger and abounding in hesed and faithfulness, keeping hesed for 1,000 generations, forgiving iniquity and transgressions and sin. Isore mi ke atue Moses ni Gyospa. The Lord. Atsu. Punbo abu ngo anya bue. Anya mangpa bue. Hagama bue. Ngo hesed se filled na hesed am ngo doge bunge. Faithfulness am ding kinamam ngo doge bue. Ngo hesed sam 1,000 generation ngo hesed sam doge dune honulam ngo forgive madune ala hanamam ngule busoge Exodus chapter 34 verse 6 busong ngule kapado. So isore mi ke atwe gyos pa ngo anyangam abiungam anyamang panamam anyangam ngo doge dune hala Moses ni ngule kapado. Hosu ge verse si ekta striking ngo kapa na me ekta bisi ale agama mo si kapa na me Moses ge response. So ge response amol verse 8-9 bosong ule kapa do. So Moses si reply maname mula luku de haraka de tujo, if now I have found favor in your sight, O Lord, I pray let the Lord go with us, although this is a stiff-necked people. Pardon our iniquity and our sin and take us for your inheritance. Na si response Moses ge ekta positive response. I have found favor in you. Na isoram ekta saktam laila gyona me. Ngule arrogant, stiff-necked, ziddi ale mabu nies habje kam no ngulam favor anya mang padulo kam. Ngulge richi amno kyuma to beka ngulam no lor tupka hanamam ngule kapado. So isore me ke bing papa ngo hesed am doge bue. Ho ge bing panam revelation, so Moses me ke kam ekta positive me ke hara aspect me ke kapa laila isora anu mangjang laila no hesed am doge bu gujni no anya bu gujni no saka bu gujni no ngulge richi am kyuma tupka la ekta sense of trust Moses me ke develop malaila isoram me ke khumna me. Isore abanyalo kam filled with hesed. Isorge charactere anya mangpa bue. Abiu bue, saka darte bue. Hoke ngule next ngule so katu jo hesed, God's hesed as perpetual or everlasting. Isorge hesede, isorge anya name, abiu name, habanyalo kam perpetual, everlasting. Narbagub do bue. Primal na do bakam pare, kulu loge do ki bue. ngule verse 7 boso kapadu keeping hesed for 1,000 generation. Hesedam 1,000 generation kya be hesedam doge bue halangule kapadu. Ho similar verse ngule harabe Psalms number 89 verse 2 bulongule kapadu. I will declare your hesed is established forever. Psalmist bingame na age hesede isor na age hesede narba gup do bue established forever. Forever word samule agar Hebrew longule kaba nyelo kam si Hebrew lo olam saluku lukurini house world ala kam ngule translate modu sam olam sam ngule word ala translate mabalo kam Hebrew hoge perfect translation ngule kapadu the world was built on hesed. Gangda sam hesed loge anya loge abyu loge bal papane hanama ngule so kapadu. Okay gu bingame Jesus as incarnate hesed. Jesus as flesh and bone hesed. Hesed amule nyaku akube ngule kapa balokam Jesus, Jesu Christo hanama mule kapa do. Hesed siya banyala kulu loge doki terine sije kya doki dune. Okay, next expect mule katuju God's hesed is inclusive or universal in nature. God's hesed as universal. God's hesed as inclusive. Samule kapadu ngule lukude verse samule katuju Psalms number 33 verse 5. He loves righteousness and justice. The earth is full of God's hesed. Earth siyabanyalokam God's hesed loge bada hua hai. Na? The earth is covered with hesed. Isorge anyange suge earth si pura dopane cover mapane halamore. So ge samule hara John 3:16 bolo kamule sam ekta familiar verse samule kapadu God so loved the world. Isore gangda sam anya dune hanama mule kapadu. So hesed siyabanyalo kam inclusive. Si Israel niyam mo Christian niyam mo have mabdi gangda so jiman niyam nige pinkolo hesede dodune. Hesed is in God's nature. Na isorge anya abinam isore anya bue abiu bue. Okay, isore ge anya nge temporary ma sije gube tagmo aru gube tagmo have mabdi kulu loge doki bue narba gub doki tarine. Okay, hesed siya banyalo kam nga pinkolo dotama have mabdi ni akigulo dodune. Hesed is everywhere. Hesed amule har jaga ngule kapadune. Ngule sije COVID-19 e hagam gobe COVID-19 ata mo have mabdi ngulge pinkolo asa ke hagam gobe ngul aggu harabe discouragement e dodu. Isore doma panebo isore di dok mas nego halamang namaka agu dodu have jekam suge study samule kabanyelo kam isorge hesede malang lagelo dodune isorge hesede kulu loge sije kyabe narva kyabe dotene hanama mule kapadu. Okay ngule luku de harakade tujo ngul hesed in human relationship as a divine directive. Nya kuping ko loge hesed anya abiu mings nam anya abium katam mings nam hesed nya kuping ko loge si abanyelo kam ekta divine directive isorge ngulam ritu ka sam angtu ka hanamam ngule so ngule ka tuju between human hesed exists nya kuping ko lo hesede dodu anya abiu mings name ngule kapadu ngule Bible so there are multiple passages where we see hesed exists between human beings, between husband and wife, between father and son, between other relatives, between host and guest, between friends, between a king and his subjects, among the community of God's people. Ngule Bible lo kapadu habjekam as a divine directive hesed siabanya lo kam isorge ritu ang tu anam ngule chingdu ve banyelo kam ngule sam ngule chingdu bredu. We need to understand the aspect that Hesed is expected of a person on whom hesed has been done. So hesed si habanyo kam nga age pingkolo agar ngam anya ngam nye katam palokam isore ngam anya ngam katam palokam hesed am katam palokam ngo kam hesed sam ngo risi jidub lage katam kote mab have mab di nya ku pingkolo sam ngo nyam katam tamsi mings dube lage ngule passage ngule si lukude kade tuju Hosea chapter 12 verse 6 si bingame. But as for you, return to your God, hold fast to hesed, some Kegu translation love, and justice, and wait continually for your God. Okay, Micah chapter 6 verse 8 busakangule kapadu. He has told you, O mortal, what is good, and what does the Lord require of you, but to do justice and to love hesed, kindness, English translation law, and to walk humbly with your God. ना? God require of you. आपसे God क्या चाहिए? बस जस्टिस करना है, hesed दिखाना है. मुले hesed am abyo dube lage. मुले hesed am ridub lage. Anya dub lage, justice samule ridub lage, abyu mings dube lage, ho anya abyu nam samule katam mings dube lage, ham isore nulam ritu hala mangdu. Ho gubla so ge mod so ngul mangjang du ngot mangjang du isore nga lage lo do pane isor ge hesed nga lage lo dogam go bengo sulu si sagal do du sulu sib anya ja be dopa achapie nga pingkolo hama bengo sulu dopa ngo mangjang du ne isore nga pingkolo hesede hesedam isore nga pingkolo katam pane ala ngo mangjang du honul ge pingkolo kam ngo mangjang du ne isore nam hesedam katam padi have map so ge COVID-19 situation so ge prevailing situation so COVID-19 am ta mo asa issues eng ole agu se je ka pa do so mod so how have we responded or reacted to one another ngule nya ku pingkolo ngule kesa व्यवहार कैसा क्या attitude ngule katam pane ham ngule nul atwa chings do ngule as a Christian ngule we believe that God love us. As a Christian we believe that God has shown mercy to us. Did we show hesed to others as well? हम ngule kado beripa ngul COVID-19 ne halaela agungule news lo ngule channel lo asa sekelo Facebook social media lo ngule agu kapadu kuch responses, some responses were very disturbing na in the name of law and order niyam jangming sunam mingming naming sunam am kongule ka papa ni yalung bingming sunam sije ka issue asa issue ling laila ale mabe gyoming sunam am kongule ago ka padu. Okay, in the name of COVID-19 kegu ne dalum nalum nyabo kam agungule ka padu ho motso I mean especially so motso ngule ham ka padu have je kam. Thankfully on the other hand thankfully on the other hand I have seen hesed among the humanity in the form of doctors, nurses, paramedical staffs. Agu doctor ge pingkolongo hesedam ka papa, nurse ge pingkolongo hesedam anya mings namam ngo ka papa, ngulge police ge pingkolong, ngulge pastors, ngulge elders, non-profit workers, ngulge NGOs asa journalists, activists ge pingkolong ngule hesed riming so namam ngo ka papa, anya abyu katam namam ngule ka pa mings pa hamngo isoram pagyacho pagnang dune hoge ni atasam hesedam katam bunyi atasam ngo pagyacho pagnang dune ho so mod so ngo ekta nulam verse ako ngo conclusion ngo verse ako ngo nulam por ritam tos mangdu Jeremiah chapter 9 verse 23 to 24 sibingame. Thus says the Lord, do not let wise boast in wisdom, do not let the mighty boast in their might, do not let the wealthy boast in their wealth, but let those who boast in this, that they understand and know me, that I am the Lord. I act with hesed, steadfast love, justice and righteousness in the earth, for in these things I delight, says the Lord. Nulge nyete ngam no boast riamne yo, nulge wisdom mam no riamne yo ka, nulge tuka puisa doge na mam nulge atar na mam no riamge yo ka mab de nga ge kal na me nga ge hingla na me isore binga me nga ge kal na me abanyilo kam steadfast love hesed hamngo kala do ne nulge abu means namam anya means nam hamngo kala do ne justice sam righteous namam ngo kala do ne apa hogubla so mo so ngule hamja mangap laila ngule ngulge nya ku pingkolo ngul suge abu anya means nam sia banyalo kam divine directives nga ge isoram kumnam nga ge kumnam isore hesed bu isore anya bu isore abu bu isore hala manglaila ngo kam anya ngam nga ge nya ku pingkolo ajing arum pingkolo nyang ne arum pingkolo ngo kam katam hite no bo hala ngule mangla donya tuju atar anya so ngo nulge pingkolo ngo questions atagu ngo nulam bingpa nang du nule ponder makanya tu say first question say banyalogam what nishi word or any other language or dialect could best describe the word hesed nyasanglo so hesed samule uguing pa. Okay, second question siya banyalakam, how have we been experiencing God's hesed during this pandemic? Ngule hesed isorge as hesedam anya namam ngule hugeng be kapa pane hamnule mangkatu. Okay, third siya banyalakam, what we as a Christian or as an individual or as a people of God could do to show hesed to one another. So ge hesed isor ge hesed katam namsam ngule nyaku pingkolo ngule ngo atwe ngo as an individual, as a Christian, as a isoram busubu nyime akube nyaga akube ripalo kango hugu action am ngoring pa hesedam katam dobe pagyacho malang lagelo isore do banika.